Hey, it's David from My Home Park. Today, we're going to prepare the ground to plant a native garden. Now, this is a beginner project. All you need is a tape measure and a shovel. If you're planting 6 weeks in advance, we recommend you also use cardboard. First, look at your planting map and mark the garden area. I'm planting in this spot where there's existing grass. If you have 6 weeks or more, lay down some cardboard to kill the vegetation. You've been wondering what to do with all that cardboard? Well, here's your chance to make good use of it. Not only will it block out the sun and kill the vegetation below, it will serve as compost as soon as we are ready to plant. To hold the cardboard down, I'm just gonna knock in some stakes. Anything you can find that'll hold it down is gonna work great. In my case, I did not plant, so I waited for a day where the ground is moist and we'll scrape the top layer off with a shovel. If the ground is too hard, rent a rototiller. I know this sounds like an effort, but you can do a search and find a company to deliver. Let them bring it, turn it on for you, and have fun grinding up the dirt. Either way, mix in organic compost or fresh topsoil, and your ground is ready for planting. Here's your checklist. For more info on native plants, go to myhomepark.com.